July 20 was the last day that I saw Jane, and after that, Jane seems disappeared, and all the outlets are gone, so I can't see this family anymore. And I think the main reason is that Jane just wants to hide herself to force all those kids leave this territory. Both Jane and Danny keep themselves secret. Until in September, I found Jane again. Jane is in a very secret places. Her mold is finished. As you can see that this is the last piece of those down feathers that I try to get rid of. And this video just shows Jane back to her usual territory with all the feathers brand new. And this is the end of this whole video series. I start to follow them in February until to July. During this half a year, I follow them every day. I can see them every day. I think I'm part of their family and they accept me as one of their members. I'm so pleased, feel so privileged to tap into this family, to have all those videos recorded and write this book. Take a look at those books on Amazon with the ISBN number, and hopefully you will enjoy them. Thank you for watching the whole series.